Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the gender preferences in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. What I want to do to change our gender preferences is simply click on this button right here, that's Preferences. It's on the top right, simply click on it, and then this will open up. Now it's gonna give you a few options like show me, age range, and distance. Well, for now, I simply want to change my gender preferences, so let's click on show me right here. Now it's gonna give me a few options like women, men, and everyone. Choose the gender of your preferences and simply hit on apply. Once everything's alright, click on apply filters. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your gender preferences in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.